I have a keto-friendly, easy chicken Instant Pot recipe for you. It's coming up. It's only got 4 ingredients. You can add a 5th, but really 4 ingredients coming up on the Last Minute Cook. Hi, I'm Deborah. You're watching the Last Minute Cook, where I share delicious recipes that are quick so that you can make dinner at the last minute and feel good about what you're serving. If you're new here, consider subscribing and ring the bell so you'll be notified of my new episodes as I post them. Also, I would love to hear from you. In the comment section down below, reach out, ask questions, comment, and let's get in touch there. Okay, so today I have for you a chicken recipe, super easy. This one is what's referred to in the Instant Pot world as dump and go, which basically means we're gonna put it all in the pot. So that is really great because it's truly a last minute chicken recipe. So our ingredients today, I have about 1.5 pounds of chicken tenders like this. So anywhere between 1 pound or 2 should work just fine for you. And again, it's chicken tenders. I'm not going with breasts or thighs. You can mix it up how you like, but I like this recipe with the tenders. I also have 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and we've got 2 bell peppers. I'm going with red and orange. And then we're going to use a couple of teaspoons of minced garlic. If you've watched my other shows, that should not surprise you. Okay, so let's get your Instant Pot set to pressure cook. We're not gonna hit start just yet, but if you wanna get it started, make sure you're gonna be on pressure cook, and we're looking to do 12 minutes on high, and you're gonna start with, actually not your chicken, do not start with your chicken, start with your bell peppers. We want these on the bottom. So this is 2 bell peppers. If you're not comfortable or haven't cooked with bell peppers before, on my website, lastminutecook.com, I do have a bell pepper kind of intro tutorial for you. So check that out. And because you're looking for slices like this, we want to go right into the pot. 2 bell peppers, the flavors that you like. And we need 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We're going to pour that right onto those beautiful bell peppers. We are not doing a saute or any step like that, and that is purposeful for this recipe. We then need 2 teaspoons. I'm getting low on my garlic. I'm gonna have to go grocery shopping. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and get that right in there with your soy sauce and those beautiful bell peppers. I chose red and orange because I like those flavors. They're a little bit sweeter. Okay, and then our chicken. So again, these are tenders. I guess if you're using breasts, you can cut them into the smaller pieces. I recommend that because they cook more evenly, and they'll just end up being a little bit more tender because of the way they're going to pressurize in here. And just put the chicken right over your bell peppers, garlic, and soy sauce. I'm gonna keep most of the bell peppers on the bottom. I'm just gonna kind of mix the garlic around a little bit in there. Just like that. And that's it. We're going to, again, get back to our settings here on our pressure cooker. Manual pressure cook, 12 minutes on high. Make sure you're in sealing and not venting so that it will pressurize for you. Hit start, and we're gonna check that 12 minutes after it's pressurized, and we'll go for about a 10-minute natural release. Let's check on this delicious chicken. And while we're opening this, if you have not seen my honey garlic chicken, make sure and check that out. It's very tender and delicious and full of yumminess. So check out the honey garlic chicken if you like ingredients like this, like soy sauce. Okay, let's take a look at our chicken. I'm gonna give it a little mix. Beautiful. Okay, so at first it's a little bit lighter in color because that's the part that cooked without the ingredients. So I'm just gonna mix it up so it all looks very even. It's cooked beautifully. And we have an extra step I'm gonna do just here in a second. So you can get 2 goodies out of this recipe. Okay, so let's plate this. So you can serve this with spaghetti or whatever side, rice or anything that you like. Let me go ahead and get this out. Look at these bell peppers. Look how tender. Oh, yum. Okay. You guys, I just love the bell peppers with the soy sauce and the garlic and the chicken. Y'all, these flavors are so beautiful together. So delicious. And this chicken is tender. If you go over a couple of minutes on your natural release time, please don't sweat it. It will be just fine. The sauce we made when we cooked this chicken with this beautiful bell peppers and garlic and soy sauce is too good to waste. So let's use it. First, let's get our pressure cooker on saute high. So let's do that real quick. We need it to be heating. On saute, and don't worry about the time there. Just make sure it's on high and hit start. We need that to heat up because we're gonna thicken this and make it delicious. It's already delicious. We're gonna just thicken it so we can use it. And you can add as much almond flour as you need as you're cooking. Watch it, and it's gonna come to kind of a boil, and you're gonna be whisking it and whisking it. And after a while, if it needs a little bit more help, just put some more almond flour in there. That way you just make it work for yourself. Just make it work. With 6 tablespoons, that is your winner. This is great. So this is what you're looking for. It's a little bit ribbony, and you can see the color, and you can see that it's thickened up. So while it's boiling, just make sure you're stirring it constantly. And it's worth it because this sauce, you're gonna wanna drink it. It is so good. So get that in there. And the flavor that the almond flour gives this is worth going to get some almond flour just to have this sauce. It's really good, you guys. Okay, so we hit cancel, and as the sauce cools, you'll see it starting to thicken up even more. But just go ahead and let it come to its boil while you're stirring it, and just get that all mixed in. Oh, it's so good. Okay, then we're gonna plate a little bit of our chicken. Of course, you could put your chicken right back in there, but instead, I'm going to just serve it. It's so tender and good. Let's get some of these peppers, like that. Then we want some of this delicious sauce ladled right. I've lost my ladle, but let's just do it this way. Oh, you can see how thick that is. Yum. Just scoop some of this right over top. Yum. So we've got a couple of ways that you can serve this. You can serve it just the chicken mixed in like we did with some pasta or some rice on the side. Or you can take the chicken out, add those 6 tablespoons of almond flour, bring it on high saute, let it boil while you're whisking it. And then as it cools, you're gonna see, I just wanna show y'all up closer. Look at this. Look at this sauce. It's almost like a gravy. I guess it really is, it's a gravy. It's so good though. It has all the flavors of the bell pepper and the soy and the garlic. Oh, and then as I showed y'all how tender this chicken is, look at that. Just, the chicken and the peppers, so tender. I'm gonna get some of that gravy in there. You guys, so good, so good. I'm serious, you just wanna drink the sauce. Yum. Another winner. This is so good. Make this. And if you have a chance to make it, of course, I want to hear from you. Reach out to me in the comments below. If you haven't done so, please give me a like on this video if you do like it. I really appreciate those likes. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed, make sure and do that. I have a lot of really awesome recipes like this that are quick and delicious. So, buon appetito. Serve up some love.